Hello, my name is Matthias Mehlhose and I'm working at Fraunhofer HHI. Today I introduce you to our OpenAI interface setup at FR2 band. We're using for that equipment from TMYTEK. So this is called B-Box, which is in fact the antenna. And this antenna is able to create a beam in azimuthal and also in elevation direction. We also have a simplified version of this B-Box. It can create a beam in this azimuthal direction. Together with the UD box, which is shown here, this is an up-down converter from a lower frequency band to 28 GHz, which is used here for these antennas. And together with a software-defined radio from National Instruments, we built our OpenAI setup, OpenAI interface setup. And this side playing the role of the base station, which is called G-Node B. And we have on the other side also the same setup, which plays the role of a mobile user equipment called UE. And we can play around very easily by steering the beam by a GUI or even by scripts to configure every beam we want to have to make a connection, a proper connection, even when the antennas maybe are staying like this. So the beam can be steered so that they can face each other by the beams. So this is very easily doable.
Remember to subscribe, like, and ring the bell.